Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Apex English Language. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on a very important topic. Failures are the pillar of success. Yes, we have to face hardships in our life, but our willpower and courage can lead us towards success. We should be neither demoralized nor frustrated by our defeats because it's true. If we work hard, we have to face challenges in our life, but if we put our best efforts again and again, we can get success. It's better to have tried and failed than never to have tried at all. There are so many examples in our history. If we talk about Indian history, Muhammad Ghori attacked on Prithviraj Chauhan 17 times to get success, and ultimately he got success. If we talk about some scientists, players, students, and some other people who got success in their life, but in the beginning they had to face problem, but they did not bow their head before the failures, before the hardships, and ultimately they become very popular. And nowadays we remember them because of their good work, and now they have become the part of history. If you talk about students, those who are preparing for UPSC, SSC, bank examination, medical and engineering, if they don't get success in their first attempt, doesn't matter, they must try again. If they don't get success in their second attempt, third attempt, if they have age limitations, if they have attempts, so they must appear in examination again and again, and ultimately they will definitely get success. Because if you bow head before the failures, you will never succeed in your life. There are so many examples in history. If we talk about some freedom fighters, those who brought fame to their countries, those who brought freedom to their motherland, in the beginning they had to face so many problems, so many challenges, but ultimately they got success because of their determined efforts, and they learned something from their failures, and they again put their efforts after improving in their weak section. If you talk about Indian history, are so many our freedom fighters, they also faced some problems. They became the victims of atrocities of the Britishers, but ultimately they brought freedom to India also. If we are determined enough, we must try again and again, and we should not bow our head before the difficulties. Finally, I would like to say failures are the pillar of success. That's all. Thank you.